Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships is a happy hunting ground for American university scouts and recruiters who attend the 5-day event seeking talented Jamaican and Caribbean athletes for their programs. More in this report.
Former Bahamian Olympic and World Championship medalist Debbie Ferguson-McKenzie called the ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships one of the best high school track and field meets in the world. Ferguson-McKenzie, who is now an assistant coach for the University of Kentucky, was among a trio of scouts and recruiters with whom TVJ Sports spoke during the 5-day meet, which ended on the weekend.
And with Jamaica at every level, class 4, class 3, class 2, class 1, you have kids who are running faster than any other, age bracket in the rest of the world. So this is a great place to recruit when it comes to speed, power, and even now distance. We have the Caribbean never used to be known for distance and even throws, and now it's getting better all around.
Also among the recruiters was former Kingston College head coach and national coach Lennox Graham, who is now the associate head coach for hurdles and long sprints at Clemson University in South Carolina. Graham also coaches Jamaica's 2-time 100-meter hurdles world champion Daniel Williams.
When I recruit, I believe that you're successful if you get a degree. So it's to create a away from home environment, get the athlete that degree. We have a very, very good coaching staff. My head coach, Mark Elliott, is a Jamaican. He coached the middle distance. I coach the long sprints and the hurdles. Daniel Williams is the current world champion. I coach her. Also coach Kyron McMaster from the BVI, the 47.8 in the 400 hurdles. So that's my forte.
Director of Men's and Women's Track and Field Program at the University of Georgia is Carol Smith-Gilbert.
We love to come here every year. Champs is such an amazing event with such talent. Every year we look for the best of the elite talent in the world, obviously in Jamaica, but we want people who want to come to the United States that can make a worldwide impact.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Denise.